Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use AirPlay to stream your favorite content from your Apple device directly to your Samsung TV. Whether it's music, movies, or even mirroring your screen, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. So, if you're ready to level up your entertainment setup, stay tuned. Section 1. Ensure your devices are compatible. Before we jump into the steps, let's make sure your devices are compatible. AirPlay works with Samsung Smart TVs made in 2018 or later. You'll also need an iPhone, iPad, or Mac running on the latest iOS or macOS version. To check if your Samsung TV supports AirPlay, head to the TV settings, navigate to the General tab, and look for the Apple AirPlay settings option. Section 2. Connect both devices to the same WEI fee. Now that we know your devices are compatible, make sure both your Samsung TV and your Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. AirPlay won't work if they're on different networks. Section 3. Turn on AirPlay on your Samsung TV. Next, you'll want to enable AirPlay on your Samsung TV. Here's how to do that. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote. Go to Settings. Select General. Scroll down to Apple AirPlay settings. Turn AirPlay on. Section 4. How to AirPlay from an iPhone or iPad. All right, now for the fun part. Let's start AirPlaying from your iPhone or iPad. Here's how to do it. Open the app you want to AirPlay from, whether it's YouTube, Netflix, or Apple Music. Look for the AirPlay icon. It's usually a rectangle with an upward-facing arrow. Tap the AirPlay icon, and a list of available devices will appear. Select your Samsung TV from the list. If prompted, enter the code that appears on your TV screen to connect. Boom! Now your content should be streaming on the big screen. It's that easy. Section 5. How to mirror your screen using AirPlay. But wait, what if you want to mirror your entire screen instead of just one app? No problem. Here's how to mirror your iPhone or iPad screen using AirPlay. Swipe down from the upper right corner to open the control center. Tap on the Screen Mirroring option. Select your Samsung TV from the list. Again, if prompted, enter the code shown on your TV. Now your entire screen is being mirrored on your Samsung TV, perfect for showing off photos, presentations, or even playing mobile games on a larger screen. Section 6. How to AirPlay from a Mac. For all the Mac users out there, AirPlaying to your Samsung TV is just as simple. Here's how you do it. On your Mac, find the AirPlay icon in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click the AirPlay icon and choose your Samsung TV from the list. If a code appears on your TV screen, type it into your Mac. Once connected, you can either mirror your Mac screen or extend your display. If you run into any issues with AirPlay, here are a couple of quick troubleshooting tips. Check the Wi-Fi connection. Make sure both devices are on the same network. Restart your devices sometimes. A simple restart can solve connectivity issues. Update software. Ensure both your TV and Apple device are running the latest software updates. Conclusion. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to AirPlay to your Samsung TV. I hope this video helped you get your Apple device connected and streaming seamlessly. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.